Kerala is taking over this quiz. Okay, so team four, your partner.
Yeah, my name is Arvind, and I'm a student of higher secondary student. I'm a higher secondary student in Kerala, plus two. My school is
Yeah,
NSS Higher Secondary School, Kunundan.
yeah. Arvind,
It's
you
in
look
Goa,
like
Kerala.
okay. So you were angry with something or what? The face look like that. Okay. So team five.
Yeah. Hello everyone, I'm Vikram Sanditya. I'm a class 10th. Now I'm currently studying in Kendra Vidyalaya, Nagaon, and I'm looking forward to enjoy the quiz.
Yeah. And team five, your partner, Mahana.
Hello everyone, myself Maharnab. I'm from Guwahati and I'm currently studying in 12th standard in Gurukul Grammar Senior Secondary School.
Okay. So team six, your introduction.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Pragan Bitim Sharma. I am from Tezpur Science Academy, and he's my partner.
I am Swarnam Talukdar and I am currently studying in class 11 in Durham College, Tezpur.
Okay. Okay. So best of luck to all the finalists. Scorer ready? Scorer. Okay. Sounds ready?
Ready?
Okay. Shashank. Okay. Thanks, Moyo, for helping us. So, okay, Shashank, you can share the screen if you are ready, or let me know if I have to share the screen or something like that.
You share from your side, sir.
Okay, okay, I'll share from my side. Okay. Oh, so, Shashank, just enable the host to share the screen. Host disable the participant screen sharing. That is. Give me 2 minutes. Okay, I hope the screen is visible to you all. Just say yes or no, bhai.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's with.
So just say that it's visible to you all. Okay. So all the best for the finals. I hope you didn't see my set section. Okay. So sorry for that. Okay. So this is the first edition of the Gyanuday, the annual fest of TechWas. That is the Tezpur Quiz Association, and this is the. Okay, I don't know where is the Mindscape. I think okay, so I did some blunder, I guess. So for that thing, just wait, just wait. So there is some problem with my keyboard actually. So I'll use the external keyboard. So the quiz masters are Sayan and myself. So Sayan is not present here due to some his work. Okay. So welcome to the finals. So this is a poster and just, just do it. I need to do it. Hmm. Okay, it's done. So, okay. So this quiz is sponsored by Inspired Academy. A big thanks to all the Inspired Academy staff and everyone. So, and big thanks to Sunit Sir as well, who is currently the founder of Inspired Academy, and it's one of the best colleges, best junior colleges in this part of Assam. So I wish them best of luck for the future, and he might join in the midway. Okay, Susanka. So, okay, 20 questions divided into 3 rounds, clockwise 6 questions, anti-clockwise 6 questions, and buzzer will be 8 questions. The buzzer round will be at the last. We'll know how to do and what to do in the buzzer round. Okay, so round 1 and the first. Okay, so these are the rules. 6 questions, infinite bounds and pounds. Team 3, you need to keep your head up. Team 3, you need to keep your head up. Team 3. Yeah, you need to sit at that position and don't just use the mobile and stuff which is just below your hand. Okay, just keep it away. You will not need at the first 2 rounds. Okay, infinite bounds and pounds to be followed. Plus 10 on bounds, plus 10 minus 5 on pounds. Okay, but the last one is not required here since we are all hosting this quiz in the Zoom format. So, and there will be no part bounces. If there are 2 parts for the answer, we'll divide it accordingly. Okay. Okay, this is the first. So this is the first question of the finals to team 1. Ostroleka, a small city in the northeastern Poland on the Narve River, about 120 kilometers northeast of Warsaw. Recently, they changed the name of the 7 centuries-old trees, 6 England oaks and 1 ash after the characters of the series in order to raise their profile and preserve their natural monuments according to the Dash Bible. Okay, the idea was presented by the city's youth council who wanted to honor the world-famous work that brought fame, to the Polish culture and the literature. 17 of the 19 council members voted in favor of the idea, although 2 abstained. Give me the names of these trees who took inspiration from a world-famous literature folklore that originated in this part of the world, or the inspiration behind this changing of the trees. So I am looking for a literature. Okay. I'm looking for a work of literature. So direct to team 1, pounds is open. Pounds closes in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, pounds is closed. Team 1, your answer.
Alice in Wonderland or something.
Alice in Wonderland is not the one I am looking for. Team 2?
Team 2, they have pounds.
They have pounds. Okay. Team 3?
Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs.
No, not the one I am looking for. Team 4? Team 4? Okay, pass. So team 5?
Pass.
Team 5? Pass. Okay. Team 6?
No idea. Pass.
No idea. Okay. So anybody in the audience or our scorers or something would like to say?
Hamlet.
Hamlet, no, not the one. Think about a recent one. We'll get it, I guess. Okay, there is a game with that name also. So basically that made it easier, I guess. Okay, no one. So I don't know what happened. What is happening? Okay, so the answer is Witcher. The oaks are named as after Geralt of Rivia, Cirilia, Yennefer of Berelbach, Vesemir, Triss Marigold, and Daedalion, Jessica of the Netflix show. The ash was named as Regis, a barber surgeon, and a vampire. So Moyur, is the pound answer correct?
Yeah, team 2 gets a plus 10, I guess.
So what they wrote?
The Witcher series.
The Witcher series. Okay, give them plus 10. Team 2 plus 10 scorer.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. So, team 2, this is your direct question. An Indian Express article says that the Darbar Mahila Savan Committee, which has been helping sex workers and their children in the area or elsewhere in the state, is all set to launch their first all-girls football team under the franchise Dash. Dr. Pritam Ray, a former team doctor with the Mohan Bagan Sporting Club, has come forward to guide the students owing to his long association with the NGO. Some of these girls have seen the boys go abroad because of the football and being lauded with their talent, and we have seen them eager to achieve the same, says Roy. A few members of the boys team of Dash have already played for Poland, Denmark and Manchester, and now the girls are hoping to the shine bright. Fill in the blanks and tell me to which background these girls came from. So direct to team 2, and the pounds is open. Pounds closes in 5, 4. Which team pouncing? Okay, image. Okay, this is the image of the girls. I don't think it will help much, but still, if you want. Pounds closes in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, team 2, your answer? Team 2.
Kashmir.
Okay, team 2, I am not hearing. Team 2?
Yeah, Real Kashmir FC.
Real Kashmir FC, and background of this, so they are Kashmiris, you are saying?
Yeah.
2 part of the question. Find, fill in the blanks and tell me from which region of these girls belong or which background the girls belong. So what you are saying, the Kashmir and?
Yes.
Okay, so you are saying that they are basically from Kashmir. That's the second part of the question. Answers you were saying? Okay. So team 3? Team 3?
Pass.
Okay. Team 4? Team 4?
No idea, boss.
Sorry, go ahead.
I said pass.
Pass. Okay. So team 5?
They pounds.
Okay, team 5 are pounds. Team 6?
We are guessing it SC East Bengal and the place Kolkata.
SC East Bengal and Kolkata. Okay. Okay. So team 1?
Don't know.
Okay, I have covered all the teams, I guess. So anyone from the audience?
I will just guess probably something to do with Sonagachi.
Yeah, this indeed is the Amra Padanik is the name of the fill in that goes into the blank, and they are the children of the sex workers of Sonagachi. Okay, so Rajabul gets a +5 on that. Okay, so and Moyur, the pounds answer?
Good question, Pastor.
Thank you. So yeah, go ahead.
They have written only one part. They have written
only
minus
one part.
minus 5.
Minus 5. Yes. Minus 5. Okay. So team 2. Sorry.
Is tough to crack. Yeah. Andhra Pradesh is tough to crack. So I was also like shocked he found someone. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Sonagachi is quite guessable.
Yeah. From the sex workers things, the Sonagachi is quite guessable. I am expecting this answer on the bounce since many of the teams would have said that. Okay. So team 5 pounds and team 5 gets a -5.
-5.
Scorer?
Yes.
Okay. So next question is to team 3. Gum abricao is a small cigarette. Is called the mimic HU or a toasty texture originally associated with a product sourced from a flowering plant. The sugar confection is inspired by a historical medical confection made from Ethia officinilius. It is not known exactly when dash are invented, but the history goes back early to 2000 BCE. Ancient Egypt were said to have the first to make and use the root of the plant to soothe coughs and sore throats and to heal wounds. The first dash were prepared by boiling pieces of root pulp with honey until thick. Once thickened, the mixture was strained, cooled, and then as intended. Fill in the blanks. I need a name of a food item. Direct to team 3. Pounce is open. Pounce closes in 5.
Marshmallow.
Are Pounce is still open. Let me just. Okay. Which team? Okay, I'll give. Nobody pounce, I guess. Moyur? Or somebody pounce?
No one pounds.
Okay, so which team shouted? Which team shouted?
Team 3 only.
Team 3.
Direct.
अरे टीम 3 देखो बेटा क्या है ना, तो मुझे पाउंस क्लोज करने दो, उसके बाद आंसर बोलना, ठीक है? जब मैं बोलूं कि टीम 3 आंसर, देन यू से द आंसर, ओके? If you say no, but this is a warning to all of you. Means all of them know, since he is very young. He is in class 6, I guess. He is very young, so I am guessing. So that's what happened. So if you answer next time while I am not closing the pounds, you will get a -10 on that. Okay. So I'll give it to you in this question. So any of the other teams who know the answer in pounds, sorry for that, but I can't help it since he's outed and he's too young to say something that's not suitable for him. Okay. I hope the other teams understand.
Only 3 seconds were remaining, Costa. Probably in 3 seconds में वो लोग pounce नहीं करते. If they had to pounce, they would have pounced there also.
Yeah. So okay. So I give team 3 a +10 on that. Scorer. This is the marshmallow. Scorer team 3. Yeah. Okay. So next direct question to team 4. In the scene from License to Kill 1989, Bond make a quick getaway from the Hepcrest. Second unit director Arthur Wooster said that we had a barefoot skiing world champion Dash doing the stunt for us. There was so much water flying around, which meant that we could have get big close-ups of his feet. Later, we added shots of trim. I think the video is there. Just I don't know what is happening with this keyboard. Then okay. So, Shankar, video play also.
So can you show the question slide again once more?
Yeah.
Team 1 and team 4, your hands are not visible. Please try to make your hands visible.
So Shankar, requesting remote control F2. So Shankar, I am giving you remote control. I don't know what happened to my keyboard. Actually, it's not working.
Team 4, one with the spec, please push yourself little back so that we can see your hands. Show your hands. Pounce and then go for the typing.
Okay, so Shankar, no need of the video. Shankar, no need of the video, since the face is not yet visible and they will just see the stuntman or doing that thing. Okay, so fill in the blanks. That's all.
So can you show the question slide once more?
Yeah, I'm going to the question. This is the question. I need to fill in the blanks that goes in the blue mark. In this scene, from License to Kill 1988, Bonds make a quick getaway from the Hepcrest. Second unit director Arthur Wooster said, we had a barefoot skiing world champion Dash doing the stunt for us. There was so much water flying around, which meant that we could get a big close-ups from his feet. Later, we added the shots of the day. Even if I saw the video, we will only see James Bond doing the stunt, since you know how does the camera thing work. So, Pounce is open. Pounce closes in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pounce is closed. So, team 4, your answer. Team 4, your answer, please.
Pass.
Pass. Okay, team 5.
Team 5 pounds and team 1 pounds.
Team 5 and team 5, 1 pounds. Okay, team 6. Team 6. At least say something. World champion name, no, not the one. So team 1 pounds. Team 2.
Even I pounced.
Team 2 also pounds? Moyur?
Yes.
Just wait, let me confirm with the pounds. Team 2, Mayur?
Yeah, team 2 pounds.
Okay. No problem. So team 3? Team 3?
Pass.
Okay, so it was direct to team 4, I guess. So anyone from the audience? This is either you know or you don't type thing.
Dave Reinhardt.
Is it Dave Reinhardt?
Yeah, this indeed is Dave. I don't know what happened to this. This is Dave Reinhardt, famous world skiing champion. Okay, so Moyo, the pound sensors.
Yeah, team 1, team 2, and team 5 gets a +10.
Yeah, team 1, 2, and 5 gets a +10.
1, 2, 5 +10.
Okay.
Acha, Mayur, one instruction for you. When the question is over and he said pounds is closed, then you can shout out to Kaustav that team 1 and team 2 or team 3 or team 5 have pounds. So you can shout out that so that there is a smoothness in the quiz.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry for the keyboard thing. I don't know why my keyboard is not working this time. I'm sorry for you. Okay. So next, direct to team 5. Okay. So Globy is one of the most popular characters in the German-speaking of Switzerland, which sells over 9 million books. Globy is a walking, talking cartoon parrot, which initially appeared in a cartoon strip called Der Globy and later appeared in a cartoon picture book from called Globy World Voyage in 1935. Recently, a famous star made his entry into this comic world, for which the website described the scenario as Globy wanders through the forest and almost topples over a tennis ball. How did he get here? Looking around the corner, he discovers X in the midst of the family having a picnic and having get together. This is the beginning of the turbulent and varied adventure featuring a lot of tennis, a fast road trip to Wimbledon, and visit to Dash. So give me X that is in bold and fill in the blanks. So pounds is open. Pounds closes in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Moyo, any pounces?
Team 3 pounds.
Okay, team 3 pounds. And it's direct to team 5. Team 5, your answer?
Is it Roger Federer and his visit to Swiss Alps?
Swiss Alps, okay. Team 6? Team 6?
Roger Federer, X is Roger Federer, and we're not sure about the fill in the blanks.
Okay. So team 1?
Is it Rafael Nadal?
And X, sorry, fill in the blanks?
Don't.
No idea. Okay. So team 2? Team 2?
It is Roger Federer.
Yeah.
And,
okay. And fill in the blanks?
His
visit to Dash.
His voyage to Zambia in Africa, if I'm not wrong.
This is brilliant answer by team 2. Team 2, I guess.
Yeah, team 2.
Yeah, team 2. So this is X is Roger Federer and Zambia, Africa. So I would give team 5 a +5 since they called Roger Federer first, and team 2 a +10. Okay.
And team 3 gets a -5.
Okay. So scorers?
Yes, written.
Written?
Yes.
Team 2 gets a +10. Team 3 gets a -5. And team 5 +5. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the next is the last question of this round, and that will be direct to team 3 since team 2 answered the last one on the mic. Okay. So here is the question. Connect the Himalayan sheepdog, the Rampur Hound, the Mudhol Hound, and the Rajapalayam. Easy one. Pounce is open. Pounce is closes in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Moyo, any pounces?
Team 3 and team 1. Team 3, 1 and 4 pounds.
Team 3, 1 and 4. Okay. Team 3 pounds. Okay. No problem. Then it will
team, wait. Team 1, team 4, team 5, and team 3 didn't answer.
Team 3 was direct, so I thought. Okay. So okay. So team 3, your answer.
These dogs have appeared in Indian stamps.
What stamps?
These 4 dogs, they have appeared in stamps of India, postal stamps.
Yeah, that will fetch you complete 10 points. Okay, so these are the only dog species to be featured in Indian postal stamps. So easy one. So Mayur, means pound sensors.
Yeah, team 4 gets a plus 10 on that.
Okay.
Team 1 gets a minus 5.
Okay.
And
Okay. So
team
what
5
they
gets also a minus 5. Sorry.
Okay. Team 1.
If dogs and only to India like that will work. They are,
No. I need this. You need to mention at least something about stamps, Indian postal stamps or something like that. Okay.
You wrote only dogs. You wrote only dogs in India. There are many
dogs in India.
But
there are more than 1,000 species of dogs in India. No. This is dogs in India would fetch you minus 20, I guess. Sorry, just kidding. So these are the only dog species to be featured in Indian postal. Dogs in India would be, I don't know, but anything.
And
okay,
so team 1 and
did
team,
you get the time for typing full answer?
You could have said that I am pouncing, just wait. And you didn't say that you wrote dogs in India. Why dogs in India and postal stamps are way beyond that. Your thinking is not even close. Sorry for that.
So team 1 and team 5 gets a minus 5 and team 4 gets a plus 10 on that.
Team 1 and team 5 minus 5, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And team 3 gets a plus 10 on direct. Yeah. Okay, scorer?
Yes, done.
Okay. We'll move to the scores after team round 2, okay? Okay. So this is a round 2. We'll go anti-clockwise. Okay, 6 questions, infinite bounds and pounds, same rules for all of them. Okay, so direct question to team 6 in this round. Okay, this place owes its old name from a water tank used by cattle owners who wash their cows. It came into limelight when Mahatma Gandhi started the Quit India movement on August 8, 1942. The slogan "Do or Die" from this place. To commemorate the beginning of the Quit India movement, it has been renamed. Give me the old and the present name. On pounds, I need both the answers. So pounds is open. The pounds closes in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, pounds is closed. Mayur, don't accept answers after this. Okay, so Mayur, which team pounds?
Team 1,
Easy
team
one.
2 and team 4.
1, 2 and 4. Okay. Okay, 1, 2 and 4. Okay. So team 6, your answer? Team 6?
Team 5, I will, sorry to interrupt, but team 5 will not.
Yeah, don't accept the pounds since 3 teams have already pounced within the time limit and team 5.
Sorry,
I will accept your pounds.
You have to give me us the time. We have already pounced for earlier, so we're typing the answer. So it needs time.
Okay, you are. Just let us know if you are typing when the timer goes on. Okay, just let us know. Others, I will know. Okay, all the teams, just let us know that you are typing or something like that. Okay, so team 6, your answer.
Sir, the old name is Gwalior Tank and the present name is August Kranti Maidan.
This will fetch you full 10 points. This is the easy one, I guess. So this is Gwalior Tank Maidan and the new name is August Kranti Maidan. So team 6 gets it direct, plus 10 on the direct, and more pounds answers all are correct.
4 and 10,
sorry,
and team 2 gets a minus 5. Sorry, can you hear me?
Yeah. Team 4 and team 5 gets a plus 10.
1, team 4, team 5 get.
Okay, 1. Yeah. Moyur, your voice is not clear. Scorers, are you able to hear? If scorers are able to hear, I can.
No.
Okay. Moyur, just type the thing in chat section for everyone.
Yes.
And
type in everyone.
Or you can just text me regarding that. Moyur.
One, 4 and 5 gets plus 10.
Okay, 1, 4 and 5 gets plus 10 and 6 also gets plus 10 on direct. Okay.
Yes, yes, we can.
And team 2 gets a minus 5. No, you were saying something like that.
Yeah.
Yes. Team 2 gets minus 5.
They wrote one name, I guess.
They wrote Bombay and Mumbai.
Okay.
Team 2.
Scorers, okay?
Yes, okay.
Okay. No problem. So next, direct to team 5. Bhavesh Joshi, Superhero 2018 is a vigilant action film. Towards the closing scenes, the antagonist narrates the story of Icarus to Sifu, the hero. How just like Icarus, Sifu was flying too close to danger, not realizing his wings can melt under the power of the sun, referring to himself. Just like the mythological story, Sifu ends up being thrown to a water pool. While this is one of the reference to the Greek myth, the writers have put another subtle reference to another Greek legend by naming the superhero as Siku, who had to set to conquer the corrupt world of Mumbai. What was this reference? So direct to team 5. Pounce is open.
Excuse me, 1 second.
Yeah.
We need to write the Greek legend that it's getting referred, right? Or the Greek myth.
Reference. Pounce closes in 4, 3, 2, 1. Moyur, don't accept pounce after that. So which team pounce? Just let me know.
Team 2 pounce.
Team 2. Okay. Okay, team 2. Okay. So team 5, your answer?
Pass.
Okay. Team 4?
I was actually not pouncing. I sent my doubt on the pounce window.
Okay. Good for you. I have not deducted your marks. Okay, so say it on mic. Team 4. Hello. Am I audible?
Let him say what his doubt was exactly.
Yeah.
If it seems like a pounce, then it should be considered as answer.
Okay.
No. What that word is already there in the question. So.
Okay. So
what do you answer?
What do you answer actually?
Typed there. You wanted to know that.
Will you just let us know what you wrote?
I wrote Icarus.
He got Icarus. So that is itself in the question. So what should I do?
And that's the answer basically.
Yeah, that's basically answer. So how can that be a doubt?
No. The question was relating to a myth, right? So is it relating to that particular myth?
The second paragraph says that it was Icarus. So how did you again change that?
Acha, Mayur ko both diyason Mayur
Mayur just say.
So
he said this is he wrote.
Mayur, you are not audible.
I don't know what this is a pound. Hello.
No. What he wrote to me,
am I audible?
he to copy paste kori diyason.
Yeah. Just to copy paste what he wrote in the section.
So if it seems to be answer, whatever maybe is in the slide or may not be in the slide, how can this be a doubt? There is no
Yeah, actually. Icarus is
so
what?
This is not a doubt.
Yeah, this is not a doubt.
That is because of your fault that you haven't read the question properly. See, this is not a doubt. Come on, don't ask 2007. We know a lot of more things.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll give him. Okay. I'll just move to team 3. Yeah, I'll move to team 3. Team 3, your answer. Team 3, your answer. Team 3. Hello.
Pass.
Okay. Team 2. Team 2.
I do not know the answer.
Okay. Team 1.
Don't
know. Easy one, I guess. So team 6.
Pass.
Team 6 pass. So it was direct to team 5, I guess. Okay. So we have covered all the teams. So anyone from the audience? Easy one. Just no one. Okay.
Hercules.
Again, this thing came up. This is Alexander. Siku is the short form of Shikandar. Okay. So, okay. So, nobody, that team 4 pounds actually give them -5. Okay.
Actually, team 4 didn't bounce.
Yeah, team 4 didn't bounce. Team 4 didn't bounce. Team 2.
Which team? Which team? Oh, team 2. Okay, give them -5.
Team.
Sorry. Okay, team 4. Sorry. For the.
Can you clarify?
Okay.
Team 4 didn't bounce.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
is team 2 getting a -5 as well?
Yeah, team 2 getting a -5 since you wrote that thing. See, you don't need to write the thing on the pound section since he has no knowledge about what the question is. Okay. He knows only the answers or something like that. So you need to ask me. The quizmaster is here itself.
Sir, I did not realize it was in the pounds. That was the problem with Zoom, right?
So to whom you were typing for that?
To the quizmaster.
To the quizmasters you are typing. To the quizmasters you are typing. I cleared one doubt. So those who stopped me in the middle and said that this was a doubt. So
If it was doubt, again you can unmute yourself and ask the doubt, right?
yeah,
If that is not the answer.
that is not
That's
the
how it
answer.
works.
Yeah, that's how it works in a quiz, I think.
We
That if
also
you have
try
doubt,
to check. We have done whatever you are doing right now. We have done done it earlier too. That's why we know what we are doing. You answered something that is already in the question slide. Now you are stating that was your doubt. That cannot happen. That totally cannot happen.
Basically,
that you have
that's
answered something on the pound section. And then you are ये तो question में ही दिया हुआ है. They are asking something else. So this is what happened actually, and you are trying to cover up. We know, Baba.
okay. Okay. So okay, team 2 gets a -5. So next direct question to team 4. Okay, scorers. Okay, scorers.
Yes.
Okay.
Directed to?
Direct to team 4. London in the mid 19th century is one of the wealthiest cities, but its wealth was disproportionately distributed. Diseases were rife, and cholera was the most feared. With Memas being the main culprit behind the affliction, Memas manifested themselves as clouds of bad smells and were thought to be invisible poisonous particles arising from the decaying matter. This was the case of centuries, and to protect themselves against the infection, those who could have afforded held sweet-smelling things to their nose to ward off the bad smells. This is the reference to a folk song published in the first time in late 18th or early 19th century. Which well-known folk song is this? Okay, direct to team 4. Pounds is open. Pounds closes in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, pounds is closed. Moyo don't accept pounces. Moyo, any team pounces? Pounds?
Team 1 just bounced after the you said bounces close.
So maybe they are writing actually. Okay.
So
Just accept them. Accept them. Okay. No problem. So team 4, your answer? Team 4?
Pass.
Pass. Okay. Team 3?
Pass.
Pass. Team 2?
The unfortunate lad.
No, not the one. Team 1 pounds. Team 6?
We are just guessing it. Humpty Dumpty.
Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty was a different kind of storyline. Okay. Team 5?
Sir, no idea.
No idea. Okay. So anyone from the audience? So Sasankar might know this since in the early stages of our school, we used to play these things. So since it was our poet school, so we are bound to play some games. This indeed is a Ringa Ringa Roses. Ringa Ringa Roses.
What else
Yeah.
can it be?
Yeah, this is the catch actually. Ringa Ringa Roses. So team 1, pounds. So team 1 gets it correct or wrong?
-5.
-5 for team 1. Okay. Scorer? So what did they draw? What did they draw? Humpty Dumpty?
No. They wrote London Bridge falling down.
London Bridge falling down. Okay. No, not that.
Team 1 gets -5.
Yeah, team 1 gets -5. Next direct question to team 4. 3, I guess. Okay.
Okay.
Ready? Okay.
Yes.
This 1819 work by an art professor and engraved served as second edition score of to his siblings' most famous work. Who were his siblings? What work? Pounds is open. Two part of the answers I'm looking for. Who were his siblings? What is the work? Pounds closes in 5, 4. Oh, wait.
I have a doubt.
Wait, I'll clear your doubt. Just wait.
Okay.
Just wait. Team, since none of the other teams with no pounds is not having doubt. 3, 2, 1. So, Moyur, any team pounds?
No.
Okay. So, okay. Now, team 3, you can go ask the doubt.
If I say one part, will that be?
Oh, okay. You just answer what you know. Okay. Let's go ahead.
The siblings, Grimm brothers,
Yeah. And what is work?
their collection of stories.
Okay. Could you just modify a little bit?
Red Riding Hood.
Okay, I give it to you. Class 10 on brilliant answer by team 3. So this is Grimm Brothers and Grimm's fairy tales. Since he told that Grimm collection of stories, that I give you marks. Okay. So plus 10 to team 3 on Mike. Okay. Team scorer.
Written.
Okay.
Actually, it was
So,
team is direct.
yeah, team 3 is direct. So team 3 only answered.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So direct to team 2. Okay. This is a rainbow logo of Denver Nuggets, which was used in 1982 to 1993. What is the nickname given to this logo due to the distinctive appearance of the buildings that shadow the mountains of the logo? So what nickname is given to this logo? Okay. So pounds is open. Pounds closes in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Moyur, does anyone who pounds?
No bounces.
No pounces. Okay, team 2, your answer. Team 2. Team 2 pass or pound? Team 2
Rockets.
No, not the one. Team 1.
What do you need this the nickname of this logo?
Yeah, nickname of this logo was given. Team 1.
Like Pride Mountain. Pride
Mountain. Nice guess, but not the one. Team 6.
Is it Lesbo LGBT flag?
Nothing to do with that, but okay. Team 5. Team 5. Pass. Team 4. Huh? Team 4, you were saying something? It's not. Yes. Pass. Okay. So team 3.
Not.
Pass. Okay.
I am just.
Team 4, you are not audible at all. Can somebody hear team 4? Or is it me? No. Okay. Team 4, you are saying something.
Yes.
Yeah. Say. Bolo.
I am asking what if we get a negative mark if we answer.
On pounds, no negative. On bounds, no negative. You could go for anything. On bounds, no negative.
Okay, the mountain.
No. Brilliant guess, but no. Team 3? Yeah, somebody saying something? Team 3?
Nothing.
Team 3? Okay, I'll close this to pass. Okay, so this was direct to team 2. So anyone from the audience?
Is it Skyline?
Skyline. I think Sasankar might have the answer. Even Rajibul might have the answer since we all have played this.
Tetris.
This is Tetris. Brilliant answer. Who answered? Rajibul.
Dipom.
Okay, Dipom played it.
Yes.
Oh, you were old enough, I guess.
We all played it.
Oh, you all played it. Okay, okay. I thought that we are the only generation that was good with that stuff. Actually, video game, what you call it, not the PS generations. You all are the PS generations, I guess. Okay.
Tetris got actually मतलब modified. अपने time में it was like that thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Now they can also play Tetris on TV as well.
Okay, okay. I don't know that. I played in that video game. No? That two remote controls can come and you can play. Actually. Way back in 2007.
80 rupees video game which we used to buy for.
Yeah, 999,000 on one wala game tha na. We used to play like that.
999,000
crore. They would just swipe up the level up and down and just sell it to them. Okay, so this is Tetris. Okay, so last question of this round to team 1. On 1st November 2000, an army convoy was attacked in Manhom. The very next day, Sinam Chandramani and 9 others died in a bus stop. In response to this incident, what began and was regularly punctuated by gastric intubation until it ended on 26 July 2016. The person is one among the very exclusive set of 4 people from India who has been accorded the status of prisoner of conscience. Name this person. Direct to team 1. Pounds closes in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, Moyor, any pounces?
Yes, 1 pounds. Team 4 pounds.
Team 4 pounds. Okay, so this is direct to team 1. So team 1, your answer. Easy one.
This is Iram Sharmila.
This is indeed Iram Sharmila. So team 1 gets it +10 on direct, and team 4, Moyor, your answer.
Yeah, they get the +10.
+10. Okay, team 4 and team 1 get it +10.
Before going Kaustav, please confirm. I'm confirming with the teams. Please keep your hands on the chin position. Both your hands in the chin position and in a certain distance that both of your hands are visible, please. And if your hands are not visible, we will be announcing and giving your answer. Time you'll get a -5. As simple as please.
Okay, so I think we need to.
Swarnam, one of who are showing the other is not. Yeah, team 1 with the blue T-shirt, please. Both your hands should be visible.
Sir, I am holding my phone, so I can only show
team
my
4. Yeah, you can plug off your headphone as well, or you can you can listen, right? When you will be allowed to speak, you can speak then.
No, I am holding my phone
right now. So both of your hands should be. Oh, no, you can put somewhere. You can put somewhere some stacks of books.
Then how will
you are a
he
quizzer,
bounce?
probably you will read some books, right? So stack the books then, and I guess Abhigyan is also doing that only. He stacked up his book and he he's also like would have taken in his hand, but he has placed it somewhere near the books only. So stack the books and then put your mobile there. So no excuses.
Okay, Raju,
like
wait. Okay, Raju, will you clear these things? I'll just take a minute. Okay, I'll just take a minute to clear this on this.
And team 4, one with the stack. When you will be pouncing is like you will that is what when your hands are down, we will assume that you are pouncing. So you don't have to pounce during the question, right? Or else just you can say opinion like unmute your mic and say we are pouncing, then you can go to type. As simple as that. We are allowing that too. Yeah.
Sorry for being strict. Is it possible to? get 5 minutes, I'll switch my location so that everything is visible.
Not 5 minutes, but the quizmaster already is taking 1 minute. So do whatever within 70-80 seconds.
Rajabul, all done?
Yeah, all done. One of the guy is taking a minute for his. Like he,
Can you say what for
he has
the
asked for
points of
1
last
minute break.
Uh-huh. Just wait. Okay, somebody is saying something?
Can you announce the point of the last question once more?
Last questions ka point chahiye? That one you were asking?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay, so team
points of
team
the
one
last
gets a just wait. Team one gets a +10 on direct, and team 4 gets a +10 on. Where I'm right? Team 4 gets a +10 on pounds.
Yeah, you are right. You are right.
Team 4
Okay,
gets +10 on pounds and team 1 gets +10 on direct.
Okay, so
And
Score?
I have already
Score?
given the scores
Team 1
in chat.
Chat, you have given the scores. Okay. Let me see.
Yeah.
Okay, team 1 gets a 20, team 2 is on 20, team 3 is on 25, team 4 is on 30, team 5 is on 15, team 6 is on 10 points. Oh, was the quiz that tough? I don't think so. No.
Yeah, it was tough. Costa, even I am finding it tough.
Yeah, but actually, I was since the answers they put on the prelims, they were also tough. But so I changed some questions in the later part just to make sure that it's a bit tough and they need to learn something. So that's my goal. So I changed 2 or 3 questions which were much easier. So that's since they answered most of the things in prelims. Prelims high score was 12 or 11, I guess. 11.5 or 12, something like that. So I thought that they know a lot of stuff. So that's what.
Do we need another device for next round?
Yeah, next round you will need 2 devices, 1 laptop, anything. 2 devices that have a net connection, and it should be Android mobile. Basically, iOS is also okay if it allows you to do some things. Okay, I'm good to go with the next round, I guess. Okay, so for next thing, you need to log into.
This will be the buzzer round, right?
Yeah, next will be the buzzer round. I'll just put it in the chat section. You need to go to this site, buzzin.live. Okay, buzzin.live. I will just register. Please give me some time. Okay, I'm just typing in. Okay, buzzin.live. So other teams, you need to go on buzzin.live and type the code. Code is 650333. 650333. Okay, so this is the code you have to type. Okay, all the teams. Just make since only 8 players are allowed, so I request all the teams to get at least 1 player of them to play this quiz. Since 3 or 4 teams have already playing Lone Wolf. So, Rajabul, how many participants are there for this quiz? Rajabul, are you there?
For buzzer only max 8 can be in, so only allow only 6 people. Swarnam and the team can only they can only, let them allow 1.
Yeah. So I have team 5. Srinath is team 1, I guess. So you change your name to team 1 if possible, or I need to give another code for that. Team 5, team 3, team 4, and Srinath. Srinath just change your name to team 1. You are team 1, I guess. अरे भाई बजर नहीं था बनाया देखो. Team 5, don't press the buzzers. Team 1 is there, team 4 is there, team 3 is there, team 6 is there, team 5 is there.
Now my team 1 is in there.
Yeah, team 1 is there. Team 1 is there.
Okay.
Team 1, team 2 is not there. 1 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there. Team 2 is not there. Team 2, Team 2. How many players? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, Team 2 can enter. Team 2, just make sure that only one of you enters since it allows only 8 participants. Team 2. Is Team 2 here?
Not in the quiz, I guess.
Not in the quiz?
Yes,
Team
in the
2
participant
9.
list, there is no team 2.
Participant list of 9. हमको.
Oh, yeah. They're playing well. They're on 20. They might get third or second, even second or first, because only one team is getting lead with 10 points. So Team 2, just text them somebody in the group, since I am maintaining this one. They want to. Okay. Yeah, Team 2. Who is Team 2?
Shreyas Sudip Mitra.
Yeah, Shreyas Sudip, just text him on. I can't see them here.
No, he told that he would go and change the position or something. And after that.
Where you went? Position ही change करने बोला था, कहाँ चले गए? Tell him to join quickly. So I hope the scores shoot up in this round. Team 2, I'll just wait for 2 minutes and then I'll start, I guess. Is somebody saying something? Go. Sasanka, Rajivus?
He's telling he's not able to join.
He's not able to join?
He's actually switching network and coming with.
Okay. No, we have to wait, I guess. Tell him to join fast.
The keyboard.
Team 4 is saying this or okay. Team 4-1 is there. Okay. What should I do? Should I start or something with it? Need to switch network.
So apart from me, has anyone kept the scores?
One is enough.
No.
We have full trust on you.
Hello. Actually, team 4 bouncer minus এটা পাইছে নেকি?
Team 4 minus পাইছে নেকি? সসতে কৈছে পাইছে বুলি মোৰ লগা নাই পাইছে।
আরে এটা পাইছিলে এইটো যে ইকারাস এইটো টিম 2 আছিল নেকি?
হেতু আরে এইটো টিম 2 আছিল নাই পোৱা টিম 4
পোৱা নাই গম পাইছা হেৰি শাশ্বত নাই পোৱা নেকি টিম 4
এই তুমি মানে ভুলতে কৈ দিছিলা যে মাইনাস 5 বুলি লগা
মই ভুলকে কৈছিলো
ওকে
হেতু
ঠিক
আছে টিম So what should I do? Into is taking too much time.
So the start code is again. Ready versus.
Yeah, actually.
You can give him a call or.
Okay, I'll call
he's
him.
already there in WhatsApp.
Yeah, he's texting us that.
Yes.
Okay, I'll just
if
call.
He can text, then he can join the meeting also, I guess.
Yes, I don't know what happened to him. So Shankar, just check the lobby if he is there.
I am the person with the poorest network here right now, but my network is working better than Mayur's as well.
So Shankar, just check the lobby if he is here. I'll just text him. Yeah, he is online actually. Yeah, what should I do?
Start it.
You should start.
Yeah,
Yes.
yes.
Start the quiz. Start the quiz.
Yeah, I'll start. So all teams, okay? I'll start the quiz since I am waiting for more than 10 minutes. I have given them 10 minutes. It's more than enough, I guess. Okay.
Let's start.
Yeah. So all the teams just press the buzzer once, so that I could. Okay. Team 1, Team 3, Team 6. Okay. Team 4, Team 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. That's okay. I'll clear the buzzers. Don't press it. Okay. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Am I audible? Okay. Am I audible? Okay. So for the buzzer, we'll accept only the first 2 buzzers. Okay. Okay. We'll accept only the first 2 buzzers. For the first one, it's +10. Okay. I'll just show you the rules. Round 3. Buzzer on 8 questions on the buzzers. First 2 buzzers will be considered. +10, -5 on the first buzzer, and +5, -5 on the second. You have to answer. Please go ahead. He said okay. So no problem. So you have to answer within 5 seconds of. That is not required. You need to answer at least from 10 seconds. Okay. I'm giving you 10 seconds. So questions will not be dictated by the QM. Okay. And if I think the questions are not there, so I might dictate you. Okay. So listen. If you press the buzzer before I dictate the question, then you can answer in that thing only. Means with that questions only. But after that, if the question is something else, then you will get a +10 minus. You will get a -5. Okay. So any doubt?
So there's no question in the slide?
There will be question in the slide. There will be all the questions have a picture, and the question is related to that picture. So okay. So if you want to just look at the picture, and if you go for the pounds, if you go for the buzzer, then you could answer there itself. But the questions must be something else, which I am looking. Don't worry, I'll not change the question. Okay. According to that, since the answer slide is made in that way only. Okay. Any more questions? Okay. I'm good to go, I guess. All hands on the buzzer. Okay, team 1 answer. Okay, team 1, team 5.
Avani Lekhara, Paralympian.
Just wait.
Question ki?
Yeah, the question. So they answered before saying that. So the question is, which are the two events that she won the medal for? Okay, so team 1 gets a -5 on that, and team 5 also will going to say that only. So the medals are this one.
Answer.
No, which team?
Team
Which
5.
team?
We
Team
did
5,
press
yeah.
the buzzer, but we didn't get a chance to answer.
Okay. Sorry.
Should you answer now?
The answer is already visible better. Okay, I'll just scrap this question. Okay, I'll just scrap this question. The answer is visible.
Cancel.
Yeah, I'll cancel this question.
So my negative is out, right?
Yeah, your negative. Yeah, your negative is okay. You'll get negative since you pressed before only. Since for team 5, I'll scrap this question for them. Okay, so before pressing the buzzers, -5 to team 1. Okay,
Sir,
so before
I have
pressing,
one doubt. Sir, I have one doubt. If
Which
I press
team?
the buzzer, if I press the buzzer, then you will say the question, right?
No.
You will...
I told that you could wait for me to say the questions, or you could just buzzer beforehand. Means as soon as the picture appears. So that is up to you. Okay.
Yeah,
I'll
what
give
you would
you-
have done is कि भाई you would have assumed what can be the questions. For example, you would have said she is Avani Lekhara. She won 2 Paralympic medals this year, and she became the first person to win 2 Paralympic medal in the same year, and she won in this and this and this. So when you have said that, and we would have given you points. So if you press the buzzer and say so lengthy thing, and your answer is within that, then we will consider that ki bhai he knows. Okay, not like this. You said completely different answer even in the.
I'll show you the pictures after 2 or 3 seconds. I'll read out the question. Okay. So before that, if you press the buzzer, you need to say the question answer. Okay. So okay. All okay. Okay. Next question. Hands on the buzzer. I have cleared the buzzers, I guess. Just wait. Just wait. Yeah, I have cleared the buzzers. Okay. Next question. Identify the author. Okay, time is up. So no team pounds. No, time is up, better. Anyone answering? You will not get points. It's time. Time is up. Time is up. I said it.
Barack Obama.
Barack Obama.
This is Barack Obama. Okay. Next question. Hands on the buzzer. What are they? Who are they?
Sorry, what's the question?
Who are they? Who are they? Question is who are they?
What are they? Who are they? So.
Can I try?
Yeah. Bare bhai, time
Can I
is
try?
up. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. I gave you 10 seconds.
Rajul,
Yeah.
this is me, Rajul. Can I try?
Okay. Just wait.
Sir, I have buzzed before you say this question is closed.
No.
Oh, I think I just received your buzzer and then. Are who is pressing the buzzer now? Team 4.
Sure. Time is up.
Yeah, I gave you ample
Okay,
amount
fine,
of time. 10 seconds is what I am giving you. I'll read out the questions within the first 2 or 3 seconds. Okay.
Okay. Are they getting chance to answer?
I really pressed. I know that I really pressed before you say this question is closed.
Okay. Team 1, go ahead. Team 1, go ahead.
These are election mascot by Assam Election Commission.
I'll give you plus 10 on that. Okay.
Bohage
Since you have
Bohage.
Bohage. Okay. Okay.
For the first question, should I give team 1 -5? Because the question was
Yeah,
cancelled.
that one I told that team 1 would get -5 for question number 1 since they answered before the question was asked, and team 5 would. Okay. Actually, my network is not that good. I don't know what happened right now. Okay. So all hands on the buzzer. Okay. Which popular slogan was coined by him? Team 5.
He's Joseph Kaka, and he coined like freedom is my birthright, and I shall have it.
Plus 10 to team freedom. Swaraj is my birthright. Rajiv, what should I do? Swaraj is my birthright, and I shall have it, or freedom is my birthright?
Didia, he was in the line only.
Yeah, he was in the line. Okay. I have plus 10 to team 5. Okay. Next question. Hands on the buzzer. Who designed this logo? Team 3. Huh?
Can you hear? It's
Go ahead. Somebody hear anything?
Team 3, please answer once again. They are not audible.
I said it.
What he said? Somebody here. Okay, he said
Satyajit.
Satyajit. Oh yeah. Okay. Actually, I don't know where he is sitting, but okay. So this is Satyajit Ray.
Can anyone tell what exactly he took instead of money? He took something else from Rupa publication. What?
Books.
Brilliant. He took books instead of money for the logo from the Rupa publication.
Okay. Hands on the buzzer. Next question. Connect. Team one.
These persons have got full Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and like the Padma Shri.
And
would
you like to move? Would you like to move?
And Bharat
Yeah.
Ratna.
Yeah. So they receive all the 4 honors. Okay, only person to have won all the 3 Padma awards as well as the Bharat Ratna. Okay. So team 1 gets a plus 10. Scorers. Okay.
Yes, we can.
Okay. So who's saying A2?
Score to Ceylon.
Which question is this? Okay, just let me know. Okay, scores. Scores, please.
Team 1, 35.
Okay.
Team 2, 20.
Team 2, 20. Okay.
Team 3, 35.
Team 3, 35. Okay, tie. Okay. I hope this break.
Team 4, 30.
Oh, okay.
Team 5, 25.
Okay.
And Team 6, 10.
Team 16. So all are in the competition, I guess. Okay. So next question, hands on the buzzer. Okay. Identify the occasion. Five, 4, 3, 2. One. Okay, question is closed. Have you been so anyone from the audience? Oh, wait. Okay, team 4, you are saying some. No, you pounced after the question is closed, I guess. You pounced just now.
No, actually I buzzed after 3 seconds, but
I don't know what is happening, but I saw the buzzer right now.
কষ্ট আমি ভাইব্রেশন শুনা পালো এটা যদি বাজার আহিলে তো
Yeah,
শুনা নাই বাজার
এক্স্যাক্টলি
okay.
Deepam
Yeah,
should try.
so the question is
Deepam
good,
try.
I think. Yeah, okay. So anyone from the audience?
Question open for Deepam.
Don't pounce.
March 8, Women's Day, McDonald's.
This is the International Women's Day. Okay. Okay. Last question. Hands on the buzzer. Here we go. Which incident is being depicted here? Which mythological story is being depicted here? Closes in 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, team 4. Team 4.
The story of Theseus. The story of
Come
Theseus.
again. Situation and the complete answer. I need the complete answer.
What?
Yeah, the story of
Theseus.
And
Hercules and I don't remember the story. Heard long back, like some sort of Olympia and okay.
Look at the question.
Like cleaning the cattle.
Okay. Only one team. No, only one team means only one team has said the buzzer. But okay. Then anyone from who need to say the complete answer? Yeah, second part is in the picture.
Yes. Second part picture he has said.
Yeah, actually, okay. So Sasankar didn't edit that part. Very bad, Sasankar. Okay, so anyone from trying? Anyone trying?
Yes. Theseus and Minotaurus.
Yeah, that is what I'm looking for. Theseus and Minotaurus. So what should I do? Should I give them marks?
Should I just forward the name of the Minotaur?
Huh? Hello? Yeah, actually, I need the full answer.
Wait, was there a tie for the team?
Or should I give him 5? Something like that, since he is the only team that buzzed.
Yes.
No, you are looking for the.
I'm looking for.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. So somebody is saying something. Go ahead. Somebody is saying something. Go ahead.
Shall we get 5 points?
So what should I do? Other teams? Other members actually?
No, yeah.
He reached close to the answer.
Wait.
Kaustav.
Yeah.
Kaustav.
Yeah. Yes.
If the answer is Ram and Ravana's war, and
okay.
And see, give them 5 points.
Okay, so
Hello,
I should give him 5 points, I guess. Rajibul, you are audible, but the voice gets breaking.
What was saying is if the answer is Ram and Ravana. Hello. Audible?
Yeah. Go ahead.
If the answer is Ram and Ravana's war, basically, and someone is writing Ram and Sita, so they are completely different story. Where you asked for the story, right?
Kaustav? Hello?
Yeah, actually that is.
Hello?
Yeah, Deepam.
So if team 4 is getting plus
Deepam,
10, so if team 4 is getting plus 10, then they are going for the first position, right?
I don't know about that.
Actually, 3 teams will have 35 points.
Yes, if team 4 gets 5 in this question.
Yes. If
they don't, there will be a tiebreaker question on the buzzer, so they will get equal chance of winning if they are not getting marks in this question.
No negative. Actually, that is the thing. Nice one, Sushant. I'll give you no negative. Okay, I am not giving you +5. I am giving you no negative. Okay. Actually, what happened? So this question is set by my fellow QNs, and I'm not able to be in contact with him since he is in the exams. So that's what he said, that you need to give the complete answer, and I'm just following that. Okay. So I'm not giving you -5, but Ram and Ravana. Okay, Rajibul, I'm not giving them -5, but I'm not giving them positive score. Okay, so what are the chances of tie?
It is already tied for the first position because 2 teams have 35 points each.
First position or first and second position is tied.
Okay. Then it is.
Just let me know the scores.
35-20, 35-30, 25-10.
Write it. I need to see. Write the scores. So for all of you, so how was it? So what should I do? Should I go for tiebreaker or the prelim scores will? Sorry, Raju, why that? Tiebreaker?
Yes, I think tiebreaker. One question on buzzer.
One question on buzzer and tiebreaker. Okay. Abhi nahi lagta question. So no. That was completely different. Raju. It was completely
You can
different
make
from
a
that thing.
buzzer round with only 3 questions or something.
Team 5 would never get a 5 for that. Okay. So I know that they would have answered Avni Lakha.
I was
Be honest. Since looking at
what
the
I was
picture.
saying ki,
Hello.
what I was saying.
No. Question.
Hello.
Yeah. Go ahead.
What I was saying ki they deserve one since the question was scrapped. So probably they might get another question for +5 -5. Because
+5 -5.
since
Okay.
they know that since they know that team 1 got a negative, so they would have obviously changed their answer.
Yeah. That's something. So
And also,
what should I do? I don't.
if you scrap the question, then you should scrap the negative marks also, right?
Arey bhai, negative
Come on,
marks.
yaar, you got negative
Come
directly.
on. You know what you did wrong. There's no point of arguing or no point of discussing that -5. Okay. There's no point of discussing. Since you answered before,
Question wasn't scrapped. So that was we were not giving negative to team 5. That is what we said, and what we are proposing right now is team 5 would have got it correct if Costa wouldn't have spilled out the answer.
Yeah. Actually, for the safety slide, there is no safety slide. I just messed out at that point. So I messed out at that question. So I don't know playing with this. I mean, so okay, for tiebreaker, I need to put some rest. Okay, finally, again it went. So okay, for tie, I'll just give me 5 minutes. Okay, give me 5 minutes.
টাই ব্ৰেকাৰ কৰা নে নে কুৱেশ্যনটা যে কাটি দিছিলা সেইটোকে মানে সবৰ কাৰণে দি দিবা
না just wait more. Okay, কি টাই ব্ৰেকাৰটো কৰিবই লাগিব ন, দুটা টিমটো মাইনাস কি হেৰিটা আছে. Oh, okay. Rajibul is saying, I know that. Okay, don't worry. I'll do that. Okay, so tiebreaker car hobo team 1 and team 3. I guess team 1 and team 3.
Yes.
Yeah, team 1 and team.
The buzzer is gone. The buzzer is gone.
Yeah, I have just cancelled the buzzer. Don't worry. I'll give you, since more people are there. Okay, so I'll give you. Just give me 5 minutes, guys. Just stay in the meeting. Give me 5 minutes. My screen is not visible, right? Okay.
Yes.
Anybody? Okay. Then it's no. Okay. No problem. Okay, so I'll give one chance to team 5 for that +1 and sorry, +5 and -5 thing. You need to answer it within 5 seconds. Okay, I'll not read out the question. Okay, 5 or 10 seconds I'll give you. Don't worry. I'll just start the timer. And for the tiebreaker, I'll just give just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. I'll just give you the link and everything. Okay. Link is that one only, bastin.ly. I'll just give you a new game code.
We have to shout out the answer, right?
Yeah, this is only for you. Okay, this is only for you. Okay, and other teams you don't need to participate. You can just look around since no tie is in it. And first question is only for team 5 since for that Abdindatta question. Okay. First of all, let me say that this question is not by me. This is by some. I don't know the quiz master, but this is not by me. This is, since I can't made up a question so quickly, and if I paste it from some other of my quizzes, that would not too fair for other teams. So I just paste it from somewhere else. Okay, this is me accepting that. Okay, I'll just start a slide share. Is it visible?
Yes, visible.
Okay, this is the question. Okay, next question is to team 5. Team 5, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. I'll just start the timer as well. Stopwatch. Okay. While commenting on the famous work of well-known photographer Yusuf Qadi, said you can even make a dash stand still on to photograph. Fill in the blanks with the correct name of his famous work. We have 3 more seconds. Fill in the blanks. Okay, it's time up. So team 5 gets a -5 in this. Any team who is going for this answer? Any teams who is going for this answer?
Muhammad Ali.
Huh? You can make a even Muhammad Ali stand still. So this is not the one. So the answer is the Roaring Lion. So he's known as the Roaring Lion, means for his that work. Okay. So team 5 gets a -5 on this. I gave you ample amount of time for small question. So okay. Sorry for what blunder happened. Actually, can't help it. Okay, and just wait. Okay. So which team? 2 teams are tied. Team 1 and team 1 and team 3.
1 and 3.
Oh, okay. So team. For first and second position, obviously. I guess. Okay, I'll just look it up. Okay, so just type the code 353 534. Okay, same thing. Just team 1 and team 3 just join this. And if anyone from my team means TechWatch, if you want to join, just join one of you. Anyone? From TechWatch, anyone joining? Nipam, if you are joining, or somebody. Rajabul Shashankar. Hello.
Sir, how many questions in this round?
One question. If you pounce, if you just press the button and say that, yeah, if you press the answer and say wrong, then you get to second position, and gets correct, then you get to the first position. Okay. Okay, SSS is there. Shashankar. Okay. So next question. A bit long question, but still. Okay. Are you ready? Hands on the buzzer. And this is not a picture. Okay. This is a question. Okay. So here is the question. Okay, I don't know what again happened. Did Joshi Abhyankar serial murders in Pune was basis of 2003 movie, which was rejected at least 6 times by the censor board as it glorifies violence, murder, and drugs, which unreleased Hindi movie that is now considered as an underground cult classic. Buzzers are on. You can go ahead. Nobody is going for the buzzer. Okay, nobody is going for the buzzer. I think I should give you an easy one. Okay, don't worry. So the answer is this is Parch. Okay, so I should give you an easy one. I think otherwise it will not help. Just wait. Mukhedi koi Mukhedi koi duni. Yeah, that would be better, I guess. Okay, so
With the Kerala question, it will be more suitable for us.
Kerala question? No, it will be obviously the other.
Just kidding.
Two teams are also all from Kerala, I guess. So yeah, that's okay. I'm just thinking what to say. Sasankar, give me. Sasankar, give me something. Give me something. Okay. Okay, I got one. So listen to me very carefully. Okay, guys. Listen. Okay, listen to me very carefully. Team 1 and Team 3. We all know that Sachin Tendulkar has the longest running international cricket career in the history. Okay, so who is the second one who have the longest international career in the history? Second one. I don't need the first one. Second one. Team 3, you were looking down. I don't think you are using. Don't use that. Team 3, you'll get a -5.
No, it's buzzer.
Yeah, the buzzer you need to press it.
Can you just say the question first part one?
Huh? Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. You know Sachin Tendulkar, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah, Sachin Tendulkar has the longest international career in the history. You know that? Is it clear? Okay. So give me the second person who has the longest career in the international history. Cricket, obviously, it's cricket.
Second longest career.
Second longest. Yeah, that was basically I'm looking for. But even if you don't know this one, what who is the president of India?
Who answered him, Kostav? I am waiting.
Okay. This question is over. I guess. What should I do? They are not answering the simple one. What should I ask? Who is the president
Can I
of
try,
India?
Kostav?
Okay, go ahead.
I guess this is Mithila Raj.
Yeah, this is Mithila Raj.
Mithali Raj, sorry.
Mithali Raj. Nobody is going for the buzzer, and I am just extending this quiz. I don't know why. So, what should I ask? This is the easiest of all. This is the I'll just I'll just ask one more questions. After that, the prelim score will break the tie. That's all. Okay. After that, the prelim score will break the tie. I think I should have done that earlier only. So wait, give me 2 minutes, I guess. Should I ask? Give me something.
You need to buzz anyhow because team 1 will be in advantage anyways.
Yeah, team 1 has the advantage.
बस करके wrong answer ही दे देना, but at least try.
Just wait, huh? Okay, easy one, very easy. Okay, just do it. Okay, easy one. Thanks, Shankar. So, like the two hands on the buzzer, guys. So, if White House is to USA, then Blue House is to. If White House is to USA, okay, team one, go ahead. You have taken your chances.
I said Korea.
Which
South
Korea?
South Korea.
Shankar?
I said
South Korea. Yeah, it's South Korea. Congrats to team one on winning. Even if you have not taken the chance, you could have won. Okay, so that's a bit hasty. Okay, so most of them have left the quiz. No worries. So a quick review of the quiz would be good, I think. Team one, how was the quiz?
The quiz was really interesting when you said that it was on buzzer. I thought that it was all a little bit easy questions, but at first it was a little hard for me. Like nothing was getting. And after the first round, it became a little bit easier, and it was a nice experience. Everything was smooth except for if you could have taken a tiebreaker question at the last, you could have predicted it.
Yeah, I thought that there will be no tie breaks. Okay, so
overall,
you should be
great quiz from the QM and take quiz all organizers. Thanks to all.
Okay, team two, how was the quiz? Team two.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Network service provider ko koman dom dibo jam. Quiz to bahut bhala asil jiman attend koribo parlu. So next time I'll just hope that I have a better connection.
Yeah. Okay. We can't help with you with that.
Yeah.
That's
he karone koisu dom dibo jam network connection provider.
Yeah. That would be better. So okay, Rajibuli is saying the Assam election mascot was a brilliant pick by the Kerala. So means you all. So good one. So team three, how was the quiz?
I predicted some Assam questions should be asked. I saw some in the prelims also, so I predicted some.
Hello.
Okay. So team three, how was the quiz?
It was very good. The questions were.
Yeah, you are audible. You are.
Hello.
Yeah, you are audible. Go ahead.
Yes, it was very good. The questions were kind of a bit tricky. And it was very nice. It was a new experience.
Okay, thank you. So he's the youngest one in this quiz and winning second in this quiz is totally okay. So somebody's posting 36, 30. Okay. 31 is 30. Okay. So totally commendable for team three. I wish you all the best for your future and team one as well. So next team four, how was the quiz?
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes, it was a nice quiz and a new experience for us. And I am very happy because the
Kerala got first, second, and third positions.
Okay, lobby running it.
Yes. So I am very happy and thankful to all the coordinators of this quiz and inform
Yeah.
more.
Okay.
Waiting for more quizzes from the Tezpur Quiz Academy.
Okay, thank you, team for those kind words. And you are team third. You are in third position, I guess. Team 4 is in third position. Yeah, team 4 is in third position. Team 5 is not here, I guess. So they left. And team 6 is also not here. Okay, so that's all from our side. And so Shankar, just stop the recording.
The recording has stopped.
Okay, so stay in the team. Okay, and prizes will be declared within a week or something like that, since we need to get in touch with our sponsors. And thanks to Inspire Academy for hosting this, means financing this quiz and sponsoring this. And thanks to all the members of TechQuest, Sasankar, Rajibul, Vikram, and Mayur. Thank you. You can leave the meeting. Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.